Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Honda Pilot. It is an all-wheel drive. The engine is super clean. Go ahead and drop this hood and take you for a tour. It does have LED headlights. You can see there's a little bit of flicker because of the refresh rate of this camera, but it doesn't really look like that to the human eye. I do have alloy wheels and a luggage rack that runs the length of the vehicle. It does also have a tow package. Has a power lift gate. There's an additional power supply right there. 3 rows, all leather. And tell this to go down. It is the Elite Edition. All right, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. This does have a metallic flake in the black. And it also has the entertainment package. So there's a monitor there and then also a monitor up there. This one's apparently timed out. I've had it on too long without playing anything. Okay, there's your 3rd row. You see it has this massive sunroof back here and then one up here also. Oh, another feature, this also lifts up to shade the back. In my opinion, you don't really need it much with that tint, but there it is. Okay, and then here you go, you have the VIN. All right, hop in and take you for a tour of the interior. See the 44,623 miles on this vehicle. Here is your interfaces. Everything from push to talk to heated steering wheel and lane avoidance sensors. You'll notice down here that you have heated and vented seats. If you come up here, there's your CD and Blu-ray player. There is your upper controls. You also see that you have, I need to turn this down so you can hear me a little bit better. I'll turn the volume down all the way. But you do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You can also connect through your iPod or your aux or HDMI cables. So here's your navigation. Wants us to update the map, so you can do that when you get it. And you also have Homelink, various settings through the screen. Okay, and let's go ahead and show you your backup camera. This shifter's a little bit different. So right now it's in park. Go into reverse like this, neutral, drive, and then various terrain settings. So we're just going to go ahead and put it in reverse so that you can see the backup camera. There we go. Put it in park. And I'll come up here, and here were your switches for your sunroof. All right, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact in the front, but it turned out to only be cosmetics. We were able to get it all fixed up. Has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more vehicles and inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.